Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is another green candle. Good news is we are currently on a buyer's momentum. Dalawang green candle na magkasunod. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin, still respected pa rin niya yung trendline support natin. Tingnan natin sa 1 hour time frame para mas malinaw. Kung makikita natin, nagkaroon tayo ng liquidation dito dahil may weak na sumundot pababa and then bumabalik lang rin sa taas ng trendline support natin. And currently, creating higher low. We are currently on a uptrend momentum as long nakikukontinue ni BTC yung pag-create ng higher lows. And invalidation natin is the moment na i-break yung trendline support natin is magkakaroon tayo ng weakness sa buyer's momentum. But currently, still we